Namaste, I am Siddhi Naik. And welcome back to my channel. So, in this video, I'm gonna show you the process of making this wild animal cheetah. So, starting off with sketching the outline of the cheetah with the help of grid lines so that I will get the correct proportion and shapes. And now let's get creative. I am coloring the beautiful spots of this cheetah. Did you know that cheetahs have a unique spot patterns just like human fingerprints? It's what makes them so special. Alright, I'm starting with the base coat, blending beautiful shades of brown to create that gorgeous golden glow. Okay, so my plan A was to create this cheetah with making individual hair with white, then casing over with transparent brown. But I changed the plan afterwards, and you will know that later. Making each hair individually was such a great task and needed a lot of patience. For the artist who does each hair individually and makes their each artwork hyper realistic gives me a lot of respect for them. So as per plan A, I coated the whole cheetah with transparent brown. And now here comes the plan B of getting the focus on each feature one by one. Flexibility is a key because changing your plans midway is really important because it can enhance your final result. Okay, then I painted the tongue with vibrant pink with white spots on it so that it will look wet because the cheetah is drinking water. So then I started with the background. I tried to keep the background out of focus because the main focus over here is the cheetah. And then I started adding some roughness and texture to the background because the soil should look like soil. I tried to keep the soil as smooth as I can. Now the eyes, they are the focal point of the entire painting. So I tried to give my time and patience to it. You know, eyes are all about expressions, right? So I gave the cheetah some serious attitude. And after some final touches, the cheetah is finally completed. Please let me know your views on this because your comments are really valuable to me.